In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zendesk password. Password management is crucial for keeping your account secure, and sometimes, despite our best efforts, we forget our passwords. Don't worry, the process of resetting your Zendesk password is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together to get you back into your account without a fuss. First, open your web browser and head to your Zendesk login page. This is typically the same URL you use to access your company's Zendesk account. It should look something like https://yourcompany.zendesk.com. If you're unsure, you can usually find this URL in a previous email from Zendesk, or by checking with your IT department or system administrator. Once you're on the login page, look below the fields where you'd normally enter your email and password. You'll see an option that says, "Forgot my password." Go ahead and click on that link. This option is designed specifically for situations like this when you can't remember your password or you're having trouble logging in. Next, you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your Zendesk account. Make sure you use the exact email you registered with, as entering a different email might prevent you from receiving the password reset email. Double-check for any typos to ensure the process goes smoothly. After you've entered your email address correctly, click on the Submit button. This will trigger Zendesk to send a password reset email to your inbox. Now, head over to your email account and look for the email from Zendesk. It might take a few moments to arrive, so be patient. If you don't see it after a few minutes, check your junk or spam folders because sometimes these emails can end up there by mistake. Once you find the email from Zendesk, open it and follow the link provided. This link will guide you through the steps to set a new password for your account. It's important to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. A good password typically includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. After you've chosen a new password and confirmed it, you're all set. You should now be able to log back into your Zendesk account using your new password. Remember to keep this password secure and consider using a password manager to help you keep track of all your passwords in the future. And that's it. Resetting your Zendesk password is a quick and straightforward process. If you encounter any issues, or if the reset email doesn't arrive, reaching out to your company's IT support may help resolve any other technical problems. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide was helpful.